us like to be powerful, isn't it? But sometimes we cannot grow beyond our comfort zone because of this one factor. Yes, fear. Fear ruins everything, and that does not allow us to succeed in our goals. So, is there a way to get rid of this fear? Is there a way to control fear? Is there a way to conquer fear? Yes, it is possible. And through the world of public speaking, it is possible. But when you hear the word public speaking, I know most of you would be thinking in a very different perspective. Oh, it's for people who like to speak in the stage. It's for people who knows better English. It's for people who likes to train people. No, that is a myth. It's not only for that. Research says that public speaking is the most deadliest fear on the planet, more than death. So if you like to conquer fear, public speaking is the most effective way, which can also help you conquer and control it. Public speaking is going to be very effective for homemakers because it will help you to collaborate with other parents, to effectively communicate with teachers, and also to build a better relationship with your pre-adolescents and adolescent children. When we were doing the public speaking workshop for students, we realized that most of the parents were coming up with this thought process saying that my child is an introvert, he or she is shy, I don't think so they would be part of public speaking, they cannot take it, they are not eligible for it. And it's always about the environment. They see us, they see parents as role models. And when we cannot be that effective, when we cannot be powerful, when we are shy, when we are introvert, when we are fearful, automatically that goes inside of them. So when we can conquer this, definitely they will also going to be effective communicators and effective personalities as such. And public speaking is going to be an effective tool for business owners in terms of collaborating with a new partner or launching a new product to take better decisions. You will be very strong in taking decision when you can conquer that fear. And for college students, it will help a lot in terms of attending interview and to get a better position in any corporate. And when you go to a corporate, in terms of corporate workers, definitely it will help to connect with clients, with boss, and also to build a better team. Being an introvert, I was an introvert before a few years ago, and it is a safe space, nothing wrong in that. But being an introvert, I was always yearning to find a new place to express, to collaborate with people, to communicate. That desire was always there. I should go and speak with people, but I don't know how. The fear was always there. But when I entered into the world of public speaking, the whole world turned differently, and a person can become an extraordinary person with a lot of powerful mode you will be evolving into. So it's not just public speaking you will learn, it's always about enhancing the personality. I got to develop this educational enterprise called Story Carpet once I entered into the world of public speaking. So for anyone, it could be anything that you desire for. And anything is possible through the world of public speaking. So trust and walk in the process. We have the poster being shared here. You can register and you create yourself as an extraordinary personality. Thank you so much.